Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. The home team has gone with this lineup. It looks like they're hoping to flood the midfield with this 3-5-2 formation. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Defender then back on the ball. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, is this a goal? Ronaldo! Good defending there. Vasquez. Oh, well timed. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Menega on the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. This is Matuidi. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. Oh, it's an opening here. Now this could be Higuain. Has gone out of play. Let's see that one again. Absolutely perfect evening for a game of football. And he's stayed onside. Is this the moment? Quality defending there. The defender could be in trouble here. Chiellini with attack, sends it forward. Well timed and good defending. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. What an opportunity! Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's take another look at that. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. They're appealing, but he's onside. Higuain! The keeper's blocked that one. Ronaldo shoots, and that is a fantastic goal. Let's take another look at that. And we're back underway, but how? That's it for now. So, 45 minutes left of the game. Can the losing team come back from 2-0 down? Quality defending there. The assistant's kept his flat, and he's one-on-one with the keeper. And this is a world-class finish. He'll be pleased with putting his team 3-0 up today. A commanding performance from this team. Oh, determined challenge there. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Defenders are looking to the assist. Is this a goal? Shoots! That is a fantastic goal. And the manager's making a change here. And the referee gets the game going again. Vidal. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's on. Oh, it's a clear chance. Shoots! Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. So, we're off again here. Vidal. Oh, he did really well there. That's lofted upfield. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. He's knocked it long. Back to the keeper. Vidal. Bonucci, great tackle. He dribbles the ball forward. Lovely bit of skill there. Gomez, good tackle. Vasquez. Vidal. Danilo tackles. He's getting back inside. The defender could be in trouble here. It's with the striker. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. And it's with the captain. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Gets the shot in. Buffon with the save. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. And that's into the box. It's a tactical change here then. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. And the Global Challenge Cup is theirs. Amazing scenes here as the players and manager celebrate wildly. Look at the celebrations here. The captain basks in the team's glory as they lift the Global Challenge Cup